Your journey to optimal health starts with healthy cells, and your healthy cells start with deuterium depletion. I Am Well Today's deuterium depletion program offers a scientifically validated solution for anti-aging and DNA repair, better cognition, improved energy levels, enhanced athletic performance and recovery, increased metabolic rate, chronic disease prevention, and more. In order to understand the importance of deuterium depletion, we must first understand where the energy in our body comes from. The energy in our body comes from water, hydrogen, and oxygen. We are 70% water in mass, made of 17 trillion cells communicating in a network. Every one of those cells has thousands of mitochondria to produce energy by producing water and ATP. These mitochondria need hydrogen for our water to produce energy. Now that we understand where the energy in our body comes from, we can understand why too much deuterium damages mitochondria. But what is deuterium? Deuterium is an isotope of hydrogen, twice as big in size due to an added neutron. Deuterium is also known as heavy hydrogen, which is present in our food and water. Over time, deuterium in our water and food has increased by 30%. A healthy level of deuterium in our body is under 130 parts per million. However, our food and water sits around 150 parts per million right now. When deuterium is present in the cells, it destroys the mitochondria and lowers energy production. When we are young, we need deuterium to grow and our body depletes what it does not need. But as we age, our body accumulates deuterium and does not deplete the excess, affecting mitochondria. Deuterium accumulation has negative impacts on our brain, liver, heart, muscle function, vitality, and hinders the body from being in optimal health. I Am Well Today has crafted a solution, including deuterium monitoring and depletion. The first step is ordering your easy-to-use deuterium saliva test kit and collecting your saliva sample at home. After collecting your sample, you can simply send it in to our CLIA lab using the prepaid envelope included and receive your test results in just 5 to 10 business days, along with next steps, protocols, and recommendations based on your deuterium levels. The next step is a second test. After following deuterium depletion recommendations for 45 days, a retest is needed to establish a healthy deuterium maintenance protocol. Maintaining optimal deuterium levels is critical. Cancer and other chronic disease do not grow easily in a deuterium-depleted environment. Along with these benefits, you will see improved regulation of hormones, cholesterol, neurotransmitters, and metabolism, enhanced physical performance, improved energy levels and cognition, and slowed down signs of aging due to better DNA repair. Now that you understand the importance of deuterium depletion, let's get started on your journey to optimal health. Visit us at IamWellToday.com and order your first test.